Prophet? What is your religion? Which is your holy book? Which is your direction? What is your patron? Who is your enemy? Do you love Allah? Do you follow well? Sahaba are our leaders. We love Allah and Muhammadur Rasulullah. We love everyone. We respect everyone. But after Muhammadur Rasulullah, don't disturb me. Don't tease me. You are doing a good job. Keep doing it. Keep sleeping.